everyone, welcome to my channel Deutsch Decode with Yashvi. This is Yashvi Chaurasia and today we are learning alphabets with the correct pronunciation with vowels. So let's begin. Lektion 1. Lektion 1, it means lesson number 1. So Buchstaben. Buchstaben is alphabets in German and we follow the 26 alphabet as we follow it in English. So I have written alphabets from A to letter Z. And just besides the alphabet, I have written the correct pronunciation in German. So I'll just read the German pronunciation from letter A to letter Z. So I would just kindly request you guys to hear me out carefully for the correct pronunciation. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Again, if I have not mentioned anything just besides the alphabet, it means it is pronounced the same as it is pronounced in English. So I'll just repeat myself again, so hear me out, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z. Here I've written Bitte buchstabieren Sie Ihr Name. It means, can you please spell out your name? And if I have to say, can you please spell out your last name? Then it would be Bitte buchstabieren Sie Ihr Nachname. Nachname, it's family name. Like, I'm just writing it in brackets. Nachname oder family Name. So if the examiner can ask, like, can you please spell out your first name or your last name, it would be Bitte buchstabieren Sie Nachname oder family Name. That's your last name, and Bitte buchstabieren Sie Ihr Name, that is your this first name. And if I have to spell out my name in German, it would be Y-A-S-H-V-I. I, it's pronounced as E. We have just learned. Can you look at this? I is pronounced as E. So just remember that. Don't say I. And my last name would be C-H-A-U-R-A-S-I-A. That would be my last name. So vowels. We have 5 vowels in English. A, E, I, O, U, right? But in German, we just have 4 alphabets. That's A, U, U, S, or it, just to make it more simple, it's A, U, U, and S. Again, A, U, U, S. A, U, U, S. So that would be easier for you guys to remember. Vowels are also known as Vokalen. Like vowels, it is known in English, but in German, it is Vokalen. Okay, so if you want to, reach me out, or if you have any doubts, you can just comment it below. I'll make it sure that I personally reach out to each and every comment, or else you can just follow me on Instagram. You can follow my Telegram channel, or you can follow my community on WhatsApp. You can join the community on WhatsApp, or else you can email me. All the links are mentioned in the description. So, Dankeschön, thank you so much.